This video demonstrates how to evaluate a custom skill that categorizes IT knowledge articles using the Now Assist Skill Kit's evaluation feature. It covers assessing the skill's effectiveness and comparing two provider options to determine the best fit. To walk you through the custom skill and its process quickly, this custom skill takes in a list of categories, in addition to a knowledge article. And if we run the test, we will see that the LLM output is simply the category that the knowledge article belongs in. So if we were to manually evaluate this across multiple datasets, it will take quite a while. Auto-evaluation solves this problem. To get there, we will go through and click Optimize and Evaluate to go into the Evaluation section. The first thing you want to do is select which dataset you want to run your custom skill against. You have two options. You can directly pull from a table, which is what we'll be doing today, or a data collection. You can select a maximum number of records, of which we will select only 20 to keep things brief. Then you have the mappings at the bottom. This is where you map the data from the dataset into what the custom skill expects. So we've got the input, which is a knowledge article. You can simply click on the knowledge article reference. And if you're using a dataset that has a golden response, this golden response is where you define what the output for the custom skill when run against that record should be. You can add that here again, using the pill picker or the script. The golden response creation process is a lot easier if you're using the data collection option, which is available with the Now Assist Data Kit to manage those golden responses. We will not be doing that today, however, so we'll click Create. And then we start our automated evaluations by clicking the plus icon. We'll call this Eval 2. Click Next. And you can choose which prompts you want to evaluate. Now note that only finalized and published prompts will be available for you to include within the evaluation process. And then you get to select which dataset you want to use. You can expand it and filter out certain records from within your existing datasets also. Now here you can select which metrics you want to evaluate against. You've got human evaluation, which is always on by default. Then you have the quality metrics, which include both faithfulness and correctness. If you have that golden response available for your dataset, you can select that top one too. If you click on the downwards arrow, you can see information about the metric, what it means, and how it actually gets evaluated. So that's it. We click Finish. And now we just wait for it to be completed. Now that the evaluation has been completed, we can see the results. So we see for the Now LLM, it performed better than the knowledge categorizer, which was the AWS prompt on both correctness and faithfulness, with an improved latency of response. And to get into the details, we can click Export as a report. This will provide you with the Excel sheet that walks you through the reasoning behind why each of the different options came to that conclusion. So once you have this information, you can go ahead and use it to figure out which prompt works best for your scenario, which LLM provider you should use, and how to employ it. Thank you.